Welcome to the MEVIX Learning Lab. Come illuminate your mind.
Welcome to the MEVIX Learning Lab series on the Visual Software Suite version 2. This video will show how to set up a new project by connecting to the projectors on your network. The first thing you will need to do is make sure all your projectors have unique IP addresses. This can be done through the network menu in the projector or through the near field reader and the projector control app on your phone. Don't have the app? We'll show you that in another video. Start by creating a new project. We'll name this one 2Blend. You should then click on the On-Site menu. Then click on the Add button to add projectors to this project. We are going to add units by having it search a range of IP addresses. Again, your projector should have unique IP addresses in the same IP scheme. Then you need to enter the username and password. This information may change from model to model. If you have units with different usernames and passwords, try to make these all the same via the built-in web app or add groups of projectors by their matching information. Now you can have VSS search for units. What you'll see is that the 2 units were found, but the authentication failed. This is because the password was misspelled. After correcting the password, we run the search again. Now both units are detected and their information is displayed. Now click on Connect to add the projectors to your project. You can then select a projector from the list. On the right side, you will see the controls available. Selecting Web Control at the bottom takes you to a web browser where it will launch the projector control window. By accessing Projector Control and then Detailed Control, you can navigate the projector's internal menus. If the OSD or on-screen display is turned off, using the control window allows you to make changes without any menus being seen on screen. Back in VSS, other options available include lens control. From here, you can reset the home position and calibrate the lens motors. By scrolling down on the left menu, you have access to the projector's internal test patterns. The projectors can also be put into standby and turned on, as well as individual shutter control. We hope you enjoyed this video. In other videos, we will explore the warp and blending features of VSS. Thanks for watching.
MEVIX.
Panasonic.